Perjury is currently a common law offence in Ireland, and it is rarely prosecuted. It is my intention to introduce a clearly defined statute that will make the offence both easier to prosecute, while at the same time act as a deterrent to people from engaging in fraudulent activity, which can materially affect the course of justice. I had extensive stakeholder engagement and input into the formulation and drafting of this bill. We also carried out detailed legal research and in so doing amended over 100 pieces of existing legislation in order to consolidate and streamline the law on perjury. The definition of perjury refers to a material statement made lawfully by a person, knowingly it to be false, for the purposes of a judicial or other proceeding, including tribunals and commissions of investigation. People who persuade or causes another person to commit perjury are also potentially liable under this bill. It is up to the courts to decide on the matter of materiality. The jurisdiction covers such statements made either in Ireland or outside of the state for the purposes of a judicial or other proceeding within the state. Corroboration will be required in order to successfully prosecute under this legislation. Penalties. This stipulates that anyone committing an offence is liable on summary conviction to a Class B fine or to imprisonment for a term not exceeding 12 months or both, or on conviction of an indictment to a fine not exceeding €100,000 or imprisonment for a term not exceeding 10 years or to both. A summary offence is one which can only be dealt with by a judge sitting without a jury, while an indictable offence is one which may or must be heard before a judge and jury. As an independent senator, I am delighted to have steered this bill through our upper house, the Seanad. I very much appreciate the support of the Minister for Justice, his department, and all political parties, as well as all independent politicians, in my effort to get this very important piece of legislation enacted and on the Irish statute books. Gura maithfidh.